Good day viewers, today I'll be showing us on how to set up disposal and disposal approval. By your left hand side, click on PP, under PP, click on disposal, under disposal you click on disposal. It will open the disposal list page. By your top right hand corner, we have multi-dispose button. This button is used to multi-dispose all the assets in the disposal page list. Then for the disposal appraisal, once you click on it, it will open the disposal approval list. By the top right hand corner of it, we have multi-approve button, which is used to approve multiple assets on the disposal appraisal page. So viewers, that will be all for today. Thank you.